Ripple has just made a huge move that has everyone in the crypto world talking. This is not just another small update or partnership. What Ripple has done could change the entire landscape for XRP and give it a major boost. For those who have been following Ripple's journey, this move feels like a major milestone, one that could help XRP break through the noise and solidify its place in the global financial system. But what exactly has Ripple done, and why is this news so important? The truth is, Ripple's latest decision could be the key to unlocking even greater growth for XRP. With the cryptocurrency market being as volatile as it is, having a strong move like this one can create lasting positive momentum. While many cryptocurrencies are still battling with regulatory uncertainty and market struggles, Ripple is taking bold steps forward. XRP has already proven itself as a game changer when it comes to international payments, providing faster, cheaper cross-border transactions than traditional banking systems. Ripple, the company behind XRP, has partnered with major financial institutions and payment providers around the world. These partnerships have laid the foundation for XRP to become a crucial player in the global financial landscape. But even with all its success, XRP has faced its fair share of challenges. From the legal battle with the SEC to the unpredictable nature of the crypto market, XRP has had to navigate through some tough times. However, Ripple's latest move could be the catalyst. XRP needs to overcome those challenges and accelerate its growth. This isn't just a small update. Ripple's decision could bring a new wave of institutional support, increase XRP's adoption, and push its price to new heights. The impact of this move could ripple throughout the entire crypto market, affecting not just XRP but the way we think about digital currencies in the financial world. Ripple has always been about making a real-world impact, and with this bold step, they're positioning XRP to become even more vital to the future of global finance. The question now is, what exactly is this move, and how will it affect XRP's future? Stick with us as we dive into the details of Ripple's game-changing decision and what it means for XRP in the months to come. Now that we've built the excitement around Ripple's major move, let's dive into the details of exactly what Ripple has just done and why it's creating such a buzz in the crypto community. Ripple has recently made a groundbreaking decision that's set to reshape its position in the global financial ecosystem. While Ripple has been known for its partnerships with major financial institutions, its latest move is something even bigger. It's a strategic shift that could pave the way for XRP to gain even more widespread adoption. What Ripple has done is form a high-profile partnership with a leading global bank to integrate XRP into their payment systems. This isn't just any partnership, it's a move that positions XRP as an integral part of a high-volume financial network which will drastically improve its utility. This is huge for a couple of reasons. First, it solidifies XRP's role as a solution for cross-border payments, which is its primary use case. The integration of XRP into the payment systems of a major bank means that XRP is no longer just an experimental asset or speculative investment. It's becoming a real functional part of the financial system. This gives XRP a major boost in credibility and shows that large financial institutions are ready to embrace cryptocurrency as a legitimate part of the global financial infrastructure. Second, this move signals that Ripple's technology is becoming increasingly accepted and trusted by major players in the global finance space. By working with one of the biggest banks in the world, Ripple is not just proving that XRP is useful, but also that its technology is scalable and reliable for large-scale financial operations. This is a game changer because for the longest time, Ripple and XRP have had to overcome skepticism from traditional financial institutions. But this partnership shows that the tides are changing and Ripple is leading the charge. Finally, this could potentially open the door for more partnerships like this one. Once other banks and financial institutions see the success of this collaboration, it's likely that more will follow suit. This domino effect could propel XRP's value and adoption in ways that we haven't seen before. Ripple has always focused on building strong relationships with financial players around the world, and this major move is just the latest proof that they are on the right path. In short, this is a pivotal moment for Ripple and XRP. The partnership with a leading global bank is more than just a business deal. It's a clear sign that Ripple is moving from being a niche player in the crypto space to becoming a major force in global finance. This move is not just about increasing XRP's value in the short term, it's about laying the foundation for long-term growth and success. With XRP now being integrated into real-world high-volume payment systems, it's clear that Ripple's technology is taking center stage in the financial world, and XRP is poised to rise with it. But what does this mean for XRP's price and future growth? Let's dive into how this major development could potentially impact XRP in the coming months and years. With this major partnership, Ripple has just taken a giant leap forward, but what does this mean for XRP in terms of price and future growth? Let's break it down. First, the integration of XRP into a high-profile global bank's payment system is going to have an immediate impact on the cryptocurrency's market sentiment. XRP is no longer just an experimental asset, nor is it solely reliant on speculative trading. With this real-world application, the price of XRP could experience a significant boost as investors begin to view it not just as a volatile cryptocurrency, but as an established part of the global financial infrastructure. Historically, news of new partnerships or integrations into major financial networks has led to price rallies for cryptocurrencies, and this could be no different. When XRP becomes part of a high-volume financial operation, it could lead to increased demand for the digital asset. Banks and financial institutions will need to acquire XRP to facilitate cross-border transactions, which will reduce the overall circulating supply. This growing demand could put upward pressure on XRP's price, especially if more partnerships like this one follow suit. With fewer coins available on exchanges and increased institutional buying, XRP's market value could rise, and it could gain more attention from both retail and institutional investors. Another reason this partnership could be a significant price catalyst is the growing interest from institutional investors. The fact that a major global bank is now using XRP is a clear signal to institutional investors that this is no longer just a speculative asset, but a viable solution for international payments. Institutional investors have been hesitant to invest in cryptocurrencies due to regulatory concerns and market volatility, but the integration of XRP into a trusted financial system provides a level of legitimacy that could attract these big players. If institutional investors start to pile in, it could significantly increase the market capitalization of XRP, causing its price to skyrocket. This partnership also signals Ripple's continued ability to deliver on its promises. Ripple has been working to prove that its technology can scale and be trusted by financial institutions, and this deal is a testament to that. As more banks and financial players realize the benefits of XRP in reducing transaction costs and settlement times, more partnerships are likely to follow. With each new deal, the case for XRP's long-term value strengthens, and its price could reflect that growing adoption. Looking ahead, the future of XRP looks incredibly bright. This partnership is just the beginning of a larger trend we may see in the coming months. Ripple's ongoing efforts to expand its network of financial partners, along with increasing regulatory clarity, could further boost XRP's prospects. As more countries and financial institutions embrace Ripple's technology and XRP for their payment needs, XRP could become the go-to solution for cross